Practice set 2.5. Question number 1. Activity. Fill in the gaps and complete. So you have practice set 2.5. First question, activity, fill in the gap. Now children, here you are having equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. In that, discriminant b square minus 4ac is 5. What can you say about the nature of the root? 5 है answer. So what will be the nature? The roots are real and equal. Right? And b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 5. So what will be there? Now you have a minus sign. Discriminant is negative. So it will be
Not real.
not real. So not real. So this is what you are going to fill up in the box. Second question. Sum of the roots is minus 7 and product is 5. So you are supposed to write down the quadratic equation. So what will be the quadratic equation? क्या है फॉर्मूला एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots equal to 0. Am I right? So if you will solve it properly, what you are going to have it? You are going to have that x square
plus 7x plus 5 equals to 0.
Equal to 0. So this becomes your. So in a box, children, as we are beginner, you write down both. But in the final exam, if you write down the final step is must. So that you are supposed to write down. Clear? Okay. Now, suppose that all, if your third question is there, suppose. So they have given the equation 2x square minus 4x minus 3 equal to 0. So what is alpha plus beta? 4, right? And alpha into beta. No, sorry. You have to have x square here. So you have to divide by 2 throughout. So x square minus 4 upon 2x minus 3 upon 2 equal to 0. I want x square ना इसलिए ये 2 cancel हुआ. So यहाँ पे आ गया 2x square. So x square minus 2x minus 3 upon 2 equal to 0. So what will be alpha plus beta? Minus b होता है ना, minus root तो alpha plus beta will be 2 and product alpha into beta will be minus 3 upon 2. So it is not that difficult, so we have done it. Now let us go to question number 2. Find the value of discriminant. What is discriminant? B square minus 4ac. So here children, as a beginner, you are just going to find out what is the value of b square minus 4ac. So let's do that. So very first question. See children, all these questions you are going to keep write down in a standard form, then only you will be able to get it. Huh? So you have x square plus 7x plus minus 1 है minus 1 equal to 0. Correct? So what you are going to have? Is it in a standard form? So what you write down? Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A, B and C. You are going to tell me.
A
is equal to
A
1,
equals to 1, B is equals to
B
7,
is equal to
C is
7,
equals to
C
minus
is
1.
equal to minus 1.
Perfect. Both of you very good. A equal to 1, B equal to 7, C equal to minus 1. So after writing A, B and C, what is your job? Your job is to write down B square minus 4AC is equal to 7 square. Please write the 7 in the bracket because क्या होगा एक बार habit आ जाएगा bracket में लिखे तो you will write down even the negative numbers also in bracket. So make a habit of it because negative number has to be written in bracket. So let us write down the positive number also, no problem, as it is we are squaring na. Minus 4. A is this and C is minus 1. So what is 7 का square? 49. Now you just check the sign. यहाँ पे एक minus sign है, यहाँ पे एक minus sign. So minus into minus will become plus 4 into 1 into 1. That's 4. So 49 plus 4 comes out to be 53. Correct? So you are going to have discriminant value as 53. Find the value of discriminant. So what you are going to write down? Answer. Discriminant delta equal to 53. Purposely use the sign delta. So you will understand that delta is nothing but the discriminant. Got it? Chalo. Let us go for the second sum. 2y square minus 5y plus 10 equal to 0. So comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. What are you going to get? A equal to, b equal to,
A is equals to 2, B is equals to minus 5, C is equals to 10.
Very good. So we have written A, B and C. See, it is very simple. Just you have to take care of the sign. So what is the discriminant? B square minus 4AC. That will be equal to minus 5. See, down the minus sign came na. So minus 5 the whole square minus 4. A is 2 and C is 10. So that is 25 minus 4 2s are 8, 10s are 80. So answer 55 minus. Alright.
Minus 55. So roots are not real.
So yeah, you are not supposed to write down, children, here nature of the words. They have not asked. If they have not asked, why to write down? Be precise.
No, but I am just telling.
That much of the, here the question number 2 is write the value of discriminant. So just we have written the value of discriminant. So what you are going to write down? The answer. Answer you will write down as discriminant is equal to minus 55. Now let us go to the third question. Third one is root 2 x square plus 4x plus 2 root 2 equal to 0. Is it in a standard form? Yes, it is in a standard form. So now comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A equal to, b equal to, c equal to. A equal to,
A is equals to root 2,
b is
B is equals to 4, C is equals to 2 root 2.
2 root 2. Good, very good. So we are going to have b square minus 4ac discriminant. So that will be 4 the whole square minus 4. A is root 2 and c is 2 root 2. So that will be 4 का square 16 minus और कोई minus sign नहीं है तो minus sign ही रहेगा. अभी what you are going to do? Do the product of all the rational part. Do the product of irrational part. 4 2s are 8 and root 2 into root 2 is 2. Did you get this? 4 into 2 is 8 and root 2 into root 2 is 2. So 16 minus 16, which comes out to be 0. So which children, here the three sums were gave, one has gave positive answer, one gave negative answer and one gave 0 answer. Right? Purposely they have taken 3 types of sums. So we have successfully done all the 3. Now let us go towards the determination of nature of the roots. Third question, determine the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation. So the method will be there. You will write the equation, you will compare it, you will write down A, B, C, you will write down, find out B square minus 4C, and then according to answer you will write down, because delta is 0, so roots are real and equal. Okay, like that you will be doing it. So just one more step will be there. So let us do the sum. So we are on a question number 3 now. First one, we have x square minus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. So comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, a will be 1, b will be minus 4 and c will be 4. Correct? So we will try to find out the value of b square minus 4ac. So that will be minus 4 the whole square minus 4. A is 1 and C is 4. 4 4s are 16 minus 4 4s are 16. So answer came out to be 0. So what you got, discriminant as 0. What does it imply? The roots are
not real.
बेटा it is real and equal. Negative होगा तो not real आएगा. Correct?
Yes, miss. Real and equal.
Yes, real and equal. Real and equal. So these 3 points now you are going to memorize. When it will be real, when it will be not real, and when it will be real and equal. Okay, so all the 3 you are going to memorize. Today it was the first day, so you might make mistake, but when you will practice the sums, you will get a confidence. So let us go towards the second sum. What you have? 2y square 2y square minus 7y plus 2 equal to 0. So again comparing with ax square plus bx plus c, let us write down about the value of a, b, c. So you have a as 2, b as minus 7 and c
2
as
by
2.
B is minus 7, C is plus 2.
So minus 7 the whole square minus 4. A is 2 and C is also 2. So it will be 7 ka square is 49.
49 minus 16.
16.
49 minus 16.
So answer will come out to be 33. So what is discriminant? Discriminant is greater than 0.
More than 0. So roots are real and unequal.
Unequal. So you will write down the roots are real and unequal. Write it down quickly. Now the third sum, the last sum. So you have m square plus 2m plus 9 equal to 0. Again I will be comparing with ax square plus bx plus c. So let us find out the value of a, b and c. So I have a as 1, b as 2 and c as 9. Alright. So let us find out the value of discriminant. सो यू हैव 2 का स्क्वायर माइनस 4. A 1 है और C 9 है. सो यू हैव 4 माइनस 9 4s are 36. So answer came out to be minus 32. Oh, minus sign. That means the discriminant is less than 0.
Not real.
Not real.
Yes, the roots are not real. So again we got the 3 example. One was root was real and equal. One was root real and not equal. And in third one, the roots are not real.